Morning, I'm Colonel Gaurav Kapoor. I'm the Senior Advisor of Opthal in Command Hospital, Western Command, Chandi Mandir. May I start, sir?
Yes, sure.
Yeah. This is an evaluation of the safety profile of new design of angle chopper and dialer. Coming back to a background, this was presented at AIOC 20 at Apple Tree and the free paper, and it was the best paper in cataract session and among the top 5 innovations at under the Apple Tree. And a patent for this has also been published. Now, that time we had just presented the design concept and the initial manufacturing which had taken place and what was the whole idea behind it. Now we have the safety data of this and the evaluation over the last 2 to 3 years. So basically, phacoemulsification, we all know, just a brief background, surgeon experience is the most important factor, and the rate of vitreous complications over various studies has been 2 to 14%. What is important here is, as teachers, it's higher with first year residents or beginners, and the complications occur in both the types. Either you do a chop or a stop and chop or a divide and conquer, you still have complications. Unsupervised surgeries tend to have higher complications. What is important to note here is that the most number of complications, 70%, take place during this one step of phacoemulsification. So with this aim in mind, we had 2 simple design changes to make. The aim was to improve the safety profile, reduce complications, and increase the efficacy and efficiency of chopping. So there were 2 simple design changes which were made. There was a 110-degree forward angulation which was given and a 20-degree sideways angulation to increase the efficiency of chopping by aligning the 2 axes. Basic physics principle, you align the 2 axes, you get increased, you get a addition of power. So this was the final design which was produced. The chopper had a side angulation of 20 degrees and a forward angulation of 110 degrees, which was present only on the dialer. The dialer did not have a sideway angulation. So as you can see, minimal effort is required to chop even a very hard nucleus, and the efficiency and efficacy of the chopping increases dramatically. So the aim was to compare the complication rates, phaco times amongst various groups in our center, that is residents, second and third year, senior residents and junior surgeons, and in the experienced surgeons. So what we did was we divided them into 3 groups, residents, in which there were 385 cases, in which all the cases were done using peribulbar surgery, all were 2.8 mm phacos and on the Alcon Infinity. But here there were only grade 2 and 3 cataracts. Senior resident and junior surgeons, again the similar grade 2 and 3 cataracts, peribulbar. However, they were transitioned from stop and chop to direct chop. Here there were 1234 cases, and experienced surgeons had all grades of cataract. This was all done under topical anesthesia, and there were 1876 cases. So if we come to the results, what you'll notice if group A is the one using the traditional dialer and chopper, and the group B is the new design of dialer and chopper. So what is evident here is that the phaco times drop. This is not very significant. However, the drop in complication rates, that is the PCR rates, if you notice the percentage, almost a 50% drop in PCR rates in the residents. These are the beginners, the second and third year residents undergoing MS program. Amongst the senior residents and the junior surgeons, the total cases in the traditional group was 596 and in the other group 698. Here the phaco time dropped from 9.67 to 7.54, and again a drop in the PCR rates, which was again clinically significant. In the senior surgeon group, the cases were 924 and 952 respectively. The phaco time did not see much of a change, 4.7 to 3.4. Obviously, this is to be expected because we're already dealing with a group with advanced phaco techniques, experienced surgeons. And the PCR rate also, the drop was not significant in terms of p-value, although there was a drop in PCR numbers, absolute numbers. What is important here now, if you notice what has been highlighted, is the use of the chopper amongst the first group and the second group dropped dramatically. That means the design of the dialer is such that it permits even grade 3-4 cataract to be done using a dialer. So the reduction in the chopper usage is there. This is what also adds on to the reduction in the PCR rates and the complication rates. So phaco times and PCR rates were in line with the worldwide data. There is a significant improvement in both with the use of the angle chopper and dialer. What it helps here is in transition to phaco in young surgeons, the complication rates have been reduced quite a bit. And it also helps in the transition from stop and chop to direct chop. Now, the basic advantages, as you see, of the angulation are it improves the safety profile. They reduced complications, transition to chopping, and it helps in hard cataracts. Dialer effectively becomes a chopper replacement. In certain grades of cataract, you can use it even up to grade 3-4 nucleus. This is because of the forward angulation and the increased length of the tip. And it has an increased safety profile because of its distance from the PC, and it is useful for beginners and in learners who are making the transition to phacoemulsification or changing their techniques. Thank you.
Sir, any questions?
Yes, I have a question if you don't mind. My question is that PCR is directly related to the length of the chopper and the sharpness of the chopper.
Yes, sir.
So you're demonstrating a sharp chopper.
Yes, sir.
So how will the angulation make a difference? It's the chord length that matters, isn't it?
Yes, sir. If I may, the forward angulation is what makes a difference. The forward angulation is 110 degrees. This increases the distance from the PC. As you bend the tip forward, it moves higher up. So the tip is further away from the PC. This is what is helping. And the second is the sideways angulation aligns the axis of the chopper to the axis of the phacoemulsification. So the amount of force required to do the chop reduces over a period of time. So this is what actually reduces the complication rates. The distance from the PC has increased dramatically because of the forward angulation. The side angulation reduces the force, not the safety profile.
Thank you so much, doctor. That is a very nice presentation.